everybody. Very good morning to all. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 of your textbook. The name of the chapter is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Now, what is this lapse of memory all about? Who is Bipin Babu? What kind of person he is? Right? One day something happened, he got confused, and to clear his doubt, he did so many other things. And at the end something else comes up, right? So though it's a long chapter, but it's a good chapter. I hope you will enjoy. So I won't take much of your time. I request all of you, when you watch this video, keep page number 60, open up your textbook on it, right? Let us start it. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy food. Her Sunday, a person named Bipin Babu, जिनकी सरनेम थी Chaudhary, when he was coming back from his work, every Monday he would he would stop at a shop named Kalicharan's. It was a bookstore and he would buy books. Crime story, ghost story and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. हर हफ्ते में it means Bipin Chaudhary जो थे, he was a good reader, he loved reading, and that's why every week he would complete minimum 5 books. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and did not like spending time in idle chat. कैसी personality थी Bipin Chaudhary की? He loved to live alone, और था भी नहीं. He did not mingle easily with the people, यानी वो उतने social भी नहीं थे, friends ज़्यादा नहीं थे, और बेकार की बातों में वो टाइम बर्बाद नहीं करते. If he was free, he would read books. जबकि अगर हम free है तो हम मोबाइल चालू करते थे. But he had a habit of reading good books. Today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned round and round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. आज जब जो मंडे की बात है तब ये चैप्टर विपिन बाबू को लगता है कि कोई उनको घूर रहा, कोई दुकान में कोई और. विपिन बाबू ने नजर घुमाई तो दूसरा जो बंदा था, he gave a smile to Bipin. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? asked Bipin Babu. पूछता है वो बंदा, एक कहता है I am sure कि आप मुझे नहीं पहचानते. Bipin Babu confirm करते हैं, पहले मिले क्या कभी? Have you met before? The man looked greatly surprised. He met every day for a whole week. I arranged a car for you to take you to the Woodrow Falls. In 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. वो बंदा कहता है सर एक बार नहीं, for the entire week, पूरे हफ्ते के लिए हम हर रोज मिलते थे. And when you went on a tour to Ranchi, वहाँ पर आप Woodrow Falls गए थे, waterfall, और वहाँ जाने के लिए I had arranged a car for you. अब बिपिन बाबू सोच रहे हैं कि मैं रांची तो कभी गया ही नहीं. How come that suddenly somebody comes and says कि आप रांची नहीं गए? सरप्राइजिंग लगेगा ना, आप कहीं गए नहीं और वहाँ आपको कोई बोले कि अरे वहाँ हम मिले थे. Obviously surprising. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" Bipin Babu कहते हैं कि देखो गलती तुम्हारी हो रही, मेरी कोई मिस्टेक नहीं. दूसरी बात कि I had made plan many a times, बहुत बार प्लान किया to visit Ranchi, पर मैं गया नहीं. तो बिपिन बाबू लास्ट में पूछते हैं कि आप मुझे जानते हो, मैं कौन हूँ? The man raised his eyebrow, bit his tongue and said, "Do I know you?" Oh, who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? सर आपको कौन नहीं जानता, मैं आपको जानता हूँ, आप विपिन बाबू। विपिन बाबू और सरप्राइज, ये उसको मैं नहीं जानता हूँ। Vipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." सर मैं रांची गया ही नहीं, हम रांची कैसे मिले, मैं गया ही नहीं। The man now laughed aloud. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee." देखिए आप हुड्रू फॉल गए थे, आप वहाँ पर गिर गए थे, आपको राइट नी में चोट आई थी, वहाँ पर एक कट है। I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhut. The next day, मैं दूसरे दिन आपको नेतरहट जाना था, वहाँ के लिए मैंने कार अरेंज की थी। But you could not because of the pain in the knee. आप जा नहीं पाए थे, नी में पेन था इसलिए। Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by Bawarchi and a cook. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right? आप विपिन बाबू को ये समझाने के लिए, मनाने के लिए, सर आई नो यू वेरी वेल, रांची गए थे, हुड्रू फॉल गए थे, यू हैड ए कट देयर, नेक्स्ट डे यू वांटेड टू गो टू नेतरहट, but because of the cut in your knee you could not go there. Then you said you would stay in a bungalow because you don't like hotel food. Your friend Dinesh Mukherjee was also there with you. You were arguing about moon landing. तो बहुत सारी बातें की थी सर, आप भूल गए, बहुत ताजुब की बात है। अब विपिन बाबू और चकमा खा जाते हैं कि ये कैसे ये बंदा इतना सारा जानता है। क्योंकि सी इफ यू हैव स्टेड विथ वन पर्सन फॉर अ वीक और इफ यू हैव मेट वन पर्सन फॉर 7 days तो ऑब्वियसली यू वुड नॉट फॉरगेट हिम, है ना। तो विपिन बाबू को भी यही आइडिया आता है, तो मैं कैसे भूल सकता हूँ। यही तो लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी, इट मीन्स the entire episode of going to Ranchi is skipped. That makes Vipin Babu very upset क्योंकि आप कुछ चीज़ें भूल जाते हो। मान लो कि आप यू आर ऑन ए टूर टू अमेरिका, तो आप एक बार गए तो पूरी जिंदगी याद रखोगे ना, यू वुड नॉट फॉरगेट इट, है कि नहीं। सो विपिन बाबू भी यही सोचते हैं कि इफ आई वेंट टू रांची, इफ आई स्टेड देयर फॉर 7 days, how come that I forgot the entire episode? तो विपिन बाबू को अब डाउट होता है कि मेरी मेमोरी तो अब कम हो गई नहीं है, अब क्या करें। Vipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said October. No sir, said Vipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. Sir, आप अक्टूबर में गए थे, तो विपिन बाबू कहते अक्टूबर में तुम्हें था ही नहीं, मैं कानपुर गया था, फ्रेंड के वहाँ पूजा थी। But the man did not go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of a bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children, that you had lost your wife 10 years ago, your only brother had died. Insane का मीनिंग होता है पागल, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. When Vipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Vipin Babu को फिर से कुछ हिंट देता कि सर, when we were in Ranchi, you talked about your family. You said your wife died 10 years ago. You said your brother died. एंड इंसान पागल थे, वो मर गए, इसीलिए आपने विजिट नहीं की वहाँ की मेंटल हॉस्पिटल। अब विपिन बाबू इज कंफ्यूज कि हाउ कैन समबडी whom he has never met in his life know so much details about it। आप किसी बंदे को जानते नहीं और वो आपके बारे में सब जानता है, तो ऑब्वियसली आप थोड़े सरप्राइज हो जाओ। Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Buttram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaram? Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. बिपिन बाबू की कार में वो बिपिन बाबू बैठ गए, ड्राइवर को बोला कि आप गंगा की साइड चले जाओ। बिपिन बाबू को थोड़ा ऐसा भी होता है कि why did I spend such amount of time with a total stranger? He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. वो मानना ही नहीं रेडी है, बिपिन बाबू मानते ही नहीं कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि something that happened 7 years ago can skip out of my next week. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's head drilled. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm. He was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and yet now Bipin Babu ये सोचना चालू कर देती कि उनकी मेमोरी तो खराब नहीं हो गई ना, दिमाग कमजोर पड़ गया है। तो कहे अपने साथ ही बात कर, नहीं, I am working in a good firm. My job is very responsible. I remember so many things. I meet so many people. So it is not possible that such an incident can skip out of his. And yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details. The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Bipin Babu की memory इतनी sharp है, तो it is not possible that he would forget one man who was with him continuously for 7 years. लेकिन मानना भी पड़ेगा क्योंकि उस बंदे ने सारी पर्सनल डिटेल्स थी, तब तो आप मानोगे ना। Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. In 58, during the puja, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he did not have his address. Bipin Babu सोचते हैं कि 58 का जो ईयर था, मंथ अक्टूबर था, वो डेफिनेटली कानपुर के दोस्त हरिदास थे। For a while he thought of writing a letter to him कि भाई क्या लगता है मैं कहाँ था, but he remembered that his friend had shifted to Japan और जापान का एड्रेस नहीं। अब क्या करें, अब बिपिन बाबू कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं कि ये मेरी मेमोरी में कुछ लोचा पड़ गया। But where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he had not been to Ranchi and that was that. प्रूफ की जरूरत नहीं, मैं गया ही नहीं था रांची, अपने आप को मना रहा है। The river breeze was bracing and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. River breeze नदी जो थी किनारे पर मस्त पवन ब्लो हो रहा था, and that was जैसे it was touching Bipin Babu. That was really cooling him. But then too ये जो the idea, the thought of meeting a stranger who knew a lot about him, वो उनको अपसेट कर। Around Hastings, ये जो Hastings है वो जगह का नाम। Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his rifle. उन्होंने जो पैंट पहना था, उनको लगा कि मैं थोड़ा ऊपर चढ़ाता हूँ ये देखने के लिए कि नी पर कट है कि नहीं। There was the mark of an old inch long cut. एक इंच जितनी लंबाई वाली एक डीप कट थी। अब तो बिपिन बाबू को मानना ही पड़ेगा, वो बंदा सही बोल रहा था कि आपको कट भी आई थी। It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. हम वो बता नहीं सकते कि वो कब हो। Okay? So dear students, पेज नंबर 64 से हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आगे बढ़ेंगे। चैप्टर अभी भी बड़ा है, ये वॉच करना और रीड भी करना। ओके, टिल देन टेक गुड केयर, थैंक यू, जय हिंद।